Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Do you often feel like your day is just dragging on and on? Are you tired of feeling unmotivated and lacking energy? If you're nodding along, then we've got the perfect solution for you. Keep watching because today we'll show you how a quick workout can change everything. We understand that it can be tough to find the time and energy to work out, especially when you're already feeling drained. But trust us, even just a few minutes of exercise can make a world of difference in how you feel. So let us dive in and see how you can boost your energy levels with just a few simple moves. You'll feel so good afterwards. So first up, we have jumping jacks. This classic exercise is a great way to get your heart rate up and increase your energy levels. Jumping jacks are an excellent cardiovascular exercise that can help improve your overall fitness level. They also engage multiple muscle groups, including your arms, legs, and core, making them a highly effective full-body workout. To do jumping jacks properly, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and your arms by your sides. Jump with your feet wide apart and your arms overhead, reaching as far as you can before landing back down with your feet together and your arms at your sides. Repeat this motion at a brisk pace for 2 minutes. To make it easier, you can start by stepping side to side instead of jumping and then gradually add the upper body movement. And if you need to take a break, that's okay too. Just listen to your body and rest when you need to. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and pushing yourself just beyond your comfort zone. Next up, we have squats. Squats are another fantastic exercise that can help boost your energy levels. They're a compound movement, which means they work multiple muscle groups at once, making them a great choice for a quick workout. Squats can help strengthen your legs, glutes, and core while also improving your balance and stability. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and your arms at your sides. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're sitting into a chair. Keep your back straight and lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then push through your heels to return to the starting position and repeat for 2 minutes. If you're feeling adventurous, you can add some weights or use a chair to do weighted squats. But if you're new to exercise, it's perfectly fine to start with just your body weight. Remember to keep your form in check and go at your own pace. Take breaks when needed and celebrate your progress along the way. Now let's move on to push-ups. This classic upper body exercise can help build strength and endurance in your arms, chest, and shoulders. Push-ups are a highly effective exercise that can help improve your overall upper body strength and endurance. They also engage your core and glutes, making them a great full-body workout. To do a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart and your feet together. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the ground, then push back up to the starting position. For 1 minute, you can modify the exercise by doing it against a wall or on your knees. If you want to make it more challenging, you can try doing it on your toes or with your hands close together. Remember to maintain proper form and avoid arching or sagging during the exercise. Start with the number of repetitions that you can manage and gradually increase over time. It's important to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. With practice and dedication, you'll be able to improve your push-up skills and reap the benefits of this full-body workout. Now it's time for a quick stretch of your arms and legs. Stretching is an important part of any workout routine as it can help improve your flexibility, range of motion, and reduce the risk of injury. Stretching also helps to increase blood flow to your muscles, which can further boost your energy levels. For your arms, reach overhead and clasp your hands together. Pull your arms gently and hold the stretch for 2 minutes. You can also try other arm stretches such as interlacing your fingers and pulling them towards you, or extending one arm at a time and reaching as far as you can. For your legs, stand with your feet apart and bend forward at the waist, trying to touch your toes. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds and repeat twice. You can also do other leg stretches such as sitting with your legs crossed and reaching towards your feet, or standing and bending one leg at a time. Remember to breathe deeply and relax into the stretches and never force yourself into a position that causes pain. Taking the time to stretch properly can make a significant difference in your overall flexibility and range of motion. And it's a great way to boost your energy levels and improve your mood. So don't skip the stretches and enjoy the benefits. And finally, we have deep breathing. It may sound simple, but trust us, this exercise can be a game changer when it comes to boosting your energy levels. Deep breathing exercises can help improve your focus, reduce stress, and increase your overall sense of well-being. By taking deep breaths, you're able to increase the amount of oxygen in your body, which can help improve your energy levels and make you feel more alert and focused. So how do you do it? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. As you inhale, imagine that you're filling your lungs with energy and power. Then exhale slowly through your mouth and imagine that you're releasing any tension or stress. Repeat this process for 3 minutes and really focus on your breath. You can also try other breathing exercises such as box breathing or alternate nostril breathing. The key is to find what works best for you and to practice regularly. There you have it. With just 2 minutes of jumping jacks, 2 minutes of squats, 1 minute of push-ups, 2 minutes of stretching, and 3 minutes of deep breathing, you've got a workout that can make a world of difference in how you feel. We know that working out can be tough, especially when you're already feeling tired and unmotivated. But we also know that even just a few minutes of exercise can be a game changer when it comes to boosting your energy levels. So next time you're feeling drained, why not give this workout a try? You might be surprised at just how much of a difference it can make. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about making small changes that add up to big results over time. So don't be afraid to start slow and build from there. Also, we've got plenty more fitness tips and tricks up our sleeves. So be sure to stay tuned for more videos just like this one. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy sweating. Do you find these workouts helpful? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to share this video with your friends if you think it will help them too. We value your feedback and we're always looking for ways to improve our videos. So please leave a comment below with any suggestions you have. We're excited to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button now and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your support helps us continue creating informative and enjoyable videos for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.